If you're building a faceless channel and you're stuck choosing between Opus Clip and CapCut, I'm going to save you the Google rabbit hole right now. In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly how both tools work, what each one is actually good at, and which one you should start with depending on your situation. Here's the problem with most comparison videos on this topic. They show you a feature list, tell you Opus Clip has a virality score and CapCut has a free tier, and then leave you exactly where you started, not knowing which one to actually open. I've built this channel using both tools, and the answer is not the same for every creator. So instead of a feature table, I'm going to walk you through both tools live and tell you the exact moment each one makes sense. Here's the honest framing. CapCut and Opus Clip are solving slightly different problems. CapCut is a video editor that added an auto-cut feature. Opus Clip is an AI tool built specifically to find the best moments in a long video and turn them into short-form clips automatically. That distinction matters a lot depending on what you're trying to do. If you already know which moment you want to clip, CapCut is fast and free. If you need the AI to find the moments for you, which is most faceless creators, that's where Opus Clip earns its price tag. Let me show you both workflows so you can see the difference yourself. Start with CapCut, because it's free, and it shows you exactly what you're giving up when you pay for Opus Clip. Go to CapCut.com, click Auto Cut Long Video, and upload your source file. One important thing, CapCut needs the actual video file. It can't pull from a URL. So if your source is on YouTube, add 5 to 6 minutes to download it first. Once it processes, you get a list of clip suggestions with timestamps. No scores, no ranking, just cuts. You pick which ones look good. That's fine if you know your content well enough to judge. If you don't, or if you're processing a lot of videos, it gets slow fast. Now open Opus Clip at opus.pro. The first difference you notice is that you paste a URL. No download needed. Paste your YouTube link. Select Clip Anything mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and hit Get Clips in one click. Walk away for 4 minutes. When it comes back, every single clip has a virality score, a number between roughly 60 and 95 that Opus Clip assigns based on hook strength, narrative arc, and engagement signals from its training data. You're not picking blind anymore. You sort by score, take the top 5, and you're done. That workflow difference, URL paste versus file upload, scored versus unscored, is worth $20 a month to most creators the moment they're producing more than one video a week. Captions are where the gap shows up most on screen. Opus Clip generates animated word-by-word captions out of the box. Each word highlights as it's spoken, which is the format that's been outperforming static captions on shorts and reels since mid-2025. CapCut generates captions too, but they're static by default. You can animate them manually in CapCut's editor, but that's another 3 to 4 minutes per clip. If you're publishing 5 shorts a week, that's 20 extra minutes. If you're publishing 20, that's an hour and a half. Opus Clip removes that step entirely. CapCut's manual editor is genuinely better than Opus Clip for one specific job, when you already know the exact moment you want, down to the frame. CapCut's timeline scrubber is precise, fast, and free. If you're clipping a live stream highlight you watched yourself, or trimming a known viral moment from your own content, CapCut is the right tool. The free tier also has no monthly upload limit. Opus Clip's free tier caps you at 60 minutes of source video per month, which is roughly one long-form video. If you're working with more volume than that on a tight budget, CapCut covers the overflow. Opus Clip's free tier gives you 60 minutes of source video per month. For one long-form video a week, that's close to the limit. The starter plan is $19 a month and removes that cap. So here's the honest decision tree. If you're just starting out and posting one video a week, test the free tier for 30 days before paying. If you're producing 2 or more videos a week, which is the cadence this channel runs at, the $19 is worth it purely on the time saved from automated scoring and animated captions. If you're still not sure, start with CapCut for free, get your first 5 shorts published, and then decide whether the Opus Clip features would have saved you enough time to justify the cost. The move most experienced creators land on is using both. Opus Clip does the heavy lifting. It finds the high-score moments, adds animated captions, handles the aspect ratio conversion. Then, for the 1 or 2 clips you want to polish further, tighten the opening frame, swap a caption word, add a stock B-roll clip, you bring it into CapCut for the final touch. You get Opus Clip's AI discovery layer plus CapCut's precision editing, and the whole workflow takes about 12 minutes per long-form video once you've done it twice. That's the setup I use, and the one I'd recommend for anyone running a faceless AI channel.